If you want to use the Pro mode on a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then once you open the camera, you should be able to find the Pro mode here at the bottom where we have all of these different camera modes. Of course, this allows you to use a couple of different parameters and that allow us to adjust our photo to make sure that it looks exactly as we want it to look like. So for example, on the left side we have AF, which is the autofocus or focus in general. It allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo. So the closer it is to the left side, the more it focuses on small subjects. So it is good for close-up photography. And the more you move to the right side, the more it also focuses on the things that are in the background. Of course, you can set it all the way to the left side to set it to automatic back again. Then we have WB, which is white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and the colors look natural. Of course, we can set it to automatic, but if you move to the left side, then you will focus on cooler colors, so you will have this blue-ish filter. And if you move to the right side, then you will have orange-ish filter, so you will apply warmer colors. And of course, just like before, we can set it to automatic. Then we have the shutter speed. And in this case, this option decides, or this parameter decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. So here we move to the left side to, of course, provide a lower shutter speed, or to the right side to provide a faster shutter speed, and we can set it to automatic. ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light. Higher ISO helps in low light conditions. But if you add too high ISO, if you use too high ISO, then it can add grain or noise to your photos. So of course, lower values over here is the low ISO, and higher values is the high ISO, and we can set it to automatic. And the last option is the exposure, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image, and it's just a quick way to make your photos darker or lighter. So we move to the left side to make it darker, to the right side to make it lighter, and this is the only parameter that cannot be set to be automatic. And that is pretty much it. Of course, at the top we have some additional options that you can check out, like the camera timer, for example. We have the aspect ratio selection, and also we have the format, so you can save your pictures, for example, using the RAW format if you want to. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.